Quit snoring! I said quit snoring. Now will you stop? Let my hair go. I'm just sleeping. No, we need to get your tonsils removed now. I mean today, cause you snoring too loud. No, you're the most annoying one. Girl, I'm not annoying. You are. Ow! Why are you hitting me? Because I can't, and I'm your big sis. You know what, Mom? What? Soraya is. Can you make us some hamburger, helper? In a minute. All right. Why'd you do that? So I can tell on you. Girl. What? Don't do that. Ow!